Binary number system has base 2 and 0 and 1 are included in it. To convert 17, which is a decimal digit number, to binary number, we need to divide it with 2. 17, 2. 2 8s are 16, remainder left is 1. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. We'll go from bottom to top. So binary form of 17 is 1 0 0 1. Similarly, if you want to find binary of 19, we have to find binary of 19. 19 is a decimal digit number. We need to find its binary. Divide 19 with 2. 2 9s are 2 9s are 18, remainder left is 1. 2 4s are 8, remainder left is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Go from bottom to top. So binary form of 19 is 1 0 0 1 1. Similarly, if you want to find binary of 75, we will divide 75 with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, remainder left is 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, remainder left is 1. 2 9s are 18, remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder left is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. From bottom to up, binary form is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So in bitwise operator, whenever we'll give binary number as an input, it internally gets converted into in bitwise operator, whenever we'll give decimal number as an input, it will internally get converted into binary number. Bitwise operation will be performed on that binary number. That binary number will again convert it into decimal number and result will be displayed to us.